Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to link Salesforce to Outlook step by step in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Check your accounts. Make sure you have an active Salesforce account with API access and a Microsoft Outlook account. You'll also need admin privileges to install add-ins in Outlook. Step 2. Install Salesforce Outlook integration. Open Outlook on desktop or web. Go to Get Add-ins in the toolbar and search for Salesforce. Click Add to install the Salesforce integration add-in. Step 3. Log in to Salesforce. After installation, open the Salesforce add-in in Outlook. Log in using your Salesforce credentials and verify your identity if prompted. Step 4. Configure your settings. In the add-in, choose how you want emails, calendar events, and contacts to sync with Salesforce. You can select options like automatic email logging, syncing calendar events, and creating new records. Step 5. Link emails to Salesforce records. Open an email in Outlook, click the Salesforce add-in, and select Log to Salesforce to attach the email to the relevant lead, contact, or opportunity. Step 6. Sync calendar events. Use the add-in to connect Outlook calendar events to Salesforce. You can log meetings with clients, schedule follow-ups, and track events automatically. Step 7. Test the integration. Send a test email or create a test meeting in Outlook and confirm that the data appears in Salesforce under the corresponding records. This ensures the integration is working properly. Your Salesforce account is now successfully linked to Outlook, allowing you to log emails, sync calendars, and manage CRM data efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more productivity and business software tutorials.